In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the videos of Instagram Reels. So Instagram Reels video download. You are in the right place. Let's do it. I'm Phil Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I share practical advice to build your brand. Today I'm in Madrid, Spain, and I'm about to show you a way to download Instagram Reels as videos. Disclaimer, there are paid tools to do this and there are free tools. I'll explore both in a moment, but in the event my tool recommendation changes after recording this video, it's a good idea to check the description of this video. That's where I'm able to make my best and most updated recommendation of the best tool for this function. Great, let's do it. Now I'm going to jump over to my computer and show you. Since Instagram Reels are a newer feature of Instagram, not every website that you could traditionally download video from is going to let you download Reels. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you two free tools, two that I use often, and then I'm going to show you one that is premium, but one that is really awesome, and it might be worth actually investing in the subscription in case this is something you need to do frequently. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Instagram here on my desktop computer, and I'm going to grab the URL of a reel. Just an example here. The first website that I recommend using, or at least trying, is called iGram. It's very simple. iGram.io will let you use its Instagram downloader. Here I'm pasting the link to the reel, and I'm going to go ahead and click download. Now remember, when you're looking at free websites, it's going to show you lots of advertising. That's how they monetize these websites. So, but you kind of need to not complain about it since you're getting it for free. Now, this worked beautifully, okay? It was very, very fast. I would say this doesn't always happen on iGram. I can go ahead here and click the download button to grab that file. Sometimes it'll return an error message. Sometimes it'll take a little bit of time, and sometimes it will be fast, just like this example. So there you go, the first one, iGram.io. Now, if you're wanting to try another platform, another free website to accomplish this, I am a big fan of InstaDP, okay? InstaDP.com. They have not only a downloader for Reels, but they also have one for profile photos, which I use often to grab graphics for my YouTube videos, as well as stories, as long as it hasn't expired, and videos and photos. So let's go ahead and use their Reels downloader. So there I'm pasting the link, and we'll click go, and there you go. Let's see how well this works. Again, very quickly, this is working great. So all you're going to do is just click the download button to grab that file. And again, these are two free options, iGram.io as well as InstaDP.com. And finally, one more option that I want to show you, which is a premium offering. It is called 4K Instagram. While they're not the sponsor of this video, I have worked with them on other videos in the past, and I think it's a really fantastic tool that is not browser-based, but it's actually a program, a piece of software that you'll install on your computer. This is an ideal solution for someone who needs this function often and almost automatic. So this works totally different than a browser solution. This is a dedicated piece of software that will do it in an ongoing capacity, okay? So you can see here I've logged into my Instagram account on the desktop platform of 4K Instagram. If I go ahead and find my reel, which is right down here, I can click it and I can actually automatically open it up just like that, which is already saved offline. So 4K Instagram has that little extra feature that you're not going to find in a free tool online, which enables you to quickly and efficiently download media even after it expires. For example, you can do this with stories, you can do this with highlights, photos, and videos. So once you've connected your account, it is going to go ahead and grab those files for you and save them securely offline. So there you go. Download Instagram Reels as videos. I've linked to my latest app and tool recommendations for this below. Go ahead and check them out. If you've got any other lingering questions, comment below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. I respond to those personally. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next, I'm sharing through a few videos that I think you'll be interested in. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching, and those videos are coming up next.